Never pick up a 2026 Chevy Trax or Trailblazer without knowing this one key difference that could save you thousands on gas and repairs. Today, we're breaking down the 2026 Chevrolet Trax and Trailblazer head-to-head, two small SUVs from Chevy that look similar but pack some real surprises under the hood and in the cabin. I'll cover everything from power to price so you can decide which fits your drive. First up, engines and performance. Both start with a turbocharged setup, but here's where they split. The Trax runs on a single engine across all trims, a 1.2-liter turbo 3-cylinder that puts out 137 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 162 pound-feet of torque at 2,500 RPM. It pairs with a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive only. No all-wheel drive option here, so if you deal with snow or rough roads, that limits things. Top speed caps around 110 miles per hour, and it hits 0 to 60 in about 9.5 seconds. That's fine for city runs or highway merges, but don't expect neck-snapping acceleration. The engine uses regular unleaded gas, and Chevy tunes it for smooth daily use with active noise cancellation to keep the cabin quiet. Now the Trailblazer gives you choices. Base LS and LT trims get the same 1.2-liter turbo 3-cylinder as the Trax with 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque, but it hooks up to a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, and front-wheel drive standard. Step up to the Active or RS trims, and you unlock a bigger 1.3-liter turbo 3-cylinder that boosts to 155 horsepower at 5,600 RPM and 174 pound-feet of torque at 1,600 RPM. That extra power comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission, and you can add all-wheel drive for better grip in bad weather. With the 1.3-liter, 0 to 60 drops to around 8.5 seconds, and it feels peppier for passing trucks on the interstate. The all-wheel drive system sends power to the rear wheels when needed, which helps on slippery surfaces without killing fuel efficiency too much. Overall, the Trailblazer wins if you want more grunt or all-wheel drive, but the Trax keeps it simple and reliable for basic commuting. Next, fuel economy. The Trax gets 28 miles per gallon in the city, 32 on the highway, and 30 combined, based on EPA estimates. That means on a full 13.2-gallon tank, you can go about 396 miles before refilling, which is solid for running errands or road trips without stopping often. It uses Chevy's efficient turbo tech to squeeze more from each gallon, and the 6-speed auto shifts smooth to help. The Trailblazer varies by setup. With the 1.2-liter front-wheel drive, it hits 29 city, 31 highway, and 30 combined, similar to the Trax with a slight city edge but lower highway, so roughly 396 miles on its 13.2-gallon tank. Go for the 1.3-liter with front-wheel drive, and it improves to 29 city, 33 highway, and 31 combined. Add all-wheel drive to the 1.3-liter, and it drops to 26 city, 29 highway, and 27 combined, cutting range to about 356 miles per tank. If you stick to front-wheel drive, the Trailblazer matches or slightly beats the Trax on efficiency, depending on engine, but all-wheel drive thirsty folks might notice the hit at the pump. Both beat older SUVs in this class, like the Honda HR-V's 28 combined, so they're great for saving cash on fuel over time. Now, exterior details and how they differ. The Trax measures 178.6 inches long, 71.8 inches wide, and 61.4 inches tall, with a 106-inch wheelbase. That makes it longer and wider than the Trailblazer, giving a planted feel on the road. Ground clearance sits at 7.5 inches, enough for light off-road like gravel paths, but not rocks. Base LS has 17-inch steel wheels with covers, but upgrade to 1RS for 18-inch machined two-tone alloys. LT keeps 17-inch machined, 2RS jumps to 19-inch machined two-tone, and Active gets 18-inch black-painted aluminum for a rugged look. Styling includes LED headlights standard, with a slim grille and Chevy bow tie up front. The 1RS and 2RS add black bow ties, RS badging, and a unique grille for sporty vibes, while Active throws in titanium chrome accents and blackout wheels to stand out. Roof rails come optional on higher trims for carrying bikes or kayaks. Colors include basics like Summit White, plus fun ones like Nitro Yellow or Crimson Metallic. The Trailblazer is shorter at 174.1 inches long, 71.2 inches wide, and 65.2 inches tall, with a 103.9-inch wheelbase. Higher ground clearance at 7.5 to 8 inches on active trim helps over bumps. Wheels start at 17-inch silver-painted aluminum on LS, high-gloss black machined 17-inch on LT in active, and 19-inch high-gloss black machined on RS. Exterior perks include dual-outlet exhaust with polished tips on active and RS, black mesh grille with titanium on active, or high-gloss black with RS badging on RS. LT adds silver roof rails and deep-tinted rear glass. New for 2026 is Apex Red paint and two-tone roofs on active and RS for extra flair. The Trax looks more stretched and modern, like a mini Equinox, while the Trailblazer has a boxier, tougher stance with off-road nods on active. If you want bold style, Trailblazer RS turns heads, but Trax Active feels more adventure-ready without the extra cost.
Moving inside, interior details. The Trax offers 99.8 cubic feet of passenger space with 40 inches of front headroom, 41.9 inches front legroom, 55.4 inches front shoulder room, and 38.1 inches rear headroom, 38.7 inches rear legroom, 53.8 inches rear shoulder room. It seats 5 comfortably with cloth seats on base, but one RS adds red accents. LT upgrades to premium cloth. 2RS gets Evotex synthetic leather with red, and Active has unique yellow touches on Evotex. Front seats adjust manually on lower trims, power on higher. The 60/40 split rear folds flat for versatility. Dash has an 8-inch touchscreen on LS, but 11-inch HD color on LT and up, with 8-inch driver info display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard, plus available Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless charging. Active noise cancellation keeps it quiet, and automatic climate on LT and above. Storage includes door pockets, cup holders, and a center console. The Trailblazer has 98.2 cubic feet passenger volume, a bit less, with 40 inches front headroom, 40.9 inches front legroom, 55.4 inches front shoulder, 38.4 inches rear headroom, 39 inches rear legroom, 53.8 inches rear shoulder. Still 5 seats, but fold flat front passenger seats standard for long items. Interiors, cloth on LS/LT, Evotex with yellow on active, red accents on RS. All trims get the 11-inch HD touchscreen and 8-inch driver display standard, push-button start, and wireless phone integration. LT adds keyless entry and remote start. RS has heated flat-bottom steering wheel, available Bose audio and wireless charging. The Trax feels roomier up front, great for taller drivers, while Trailblazer offers more rear legroom for passengers. Both have modern tech, but Trailblazer's standard 11-inch screen on all trims gives it an edge if you hate small displays. Cargo space next. The Trax provides 25.6 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 54.1 cubic feet with them folded. That's enough for groceries, luggage for 4, or even a small bike. The low load floor makes loading easy, and the 60/40 split lets you mix passengers and stuff. No power liftgate, but hands-free available on higher trims. The Trailblazer edges it with 25.3 cubic feet behind seats, but 54.4 cubic feet max. Fold the front passenger seat, and you get up to 8.5 feet of length for skis or lumber. Hands-free power liftgate available, and roof rails standard on LT and up for extra gear. If you haul long items often, Trailblazer wins, but Trax's slightly bigger standard space suits daily use better. Both pack Chevy's infotainment with wireless connectivity, but Trax starts with 8-inch on LS, 11-inch from LT. Trailblazer has 11-inch across the board. Both offer OnStar, SiriusXM, and app integration. Higher trims add adaptive cruise, rear park assist. Trailblazer RS and Active include Bose sound optional, heated seats. Trax focuses on value with standard noise cancel, while Trailblazer adds drive modes like Sports or Snow on AWD models. Safety features. Both include Chevy Safety Assist, forward collision alert, auto emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist, following distance indicator, IntelliBeam high beams, standard rear camera, teen driver mode, and rear seat reminder. Available extras like blind zone alert, rear cross traffic, and adaptive cruise. No big differences. Both earn top IIHS ratings for crash protection. Pricing to wrap the categories. Trax starts at $21,600 for LS, $23,100 for 1RS and LT, $25,300 for 2RS and Active. Add destination around $1,200, so out the door under $23K base. Trailblazer begins higher, $23,200 LS, $24,400 LT, $27,800 Active and RS. With options like AWD adding $2,000, it climbs faster. Trax saves money up front, Trailblazer costs more for power and grip. In summary, the 2026 Trax stands out for bigger interior space, lower starting price at $21,600, and solid 30 mpg combined, making it ideal for budget buyers who stick to paved roads and need room for family. The Trailblazer pulls ahead with optional 155 horsepower engine, AWD, and max 54.4 cubic feet cargo, plus standard 11-inch screen on every trim, so it suits drivers wanting versatility for weather or light trails at a starting $23,200. Pick Trax to save cash on daily drives, or Trailblazer for extra power and features if you can swing the price. Subscribe for more SUV breakdowns.